Dream Children, a Reverie by Charles Lamb is a highly introspective and contemplative essay published in 1822. Through a dreamlike narrative, Lamb explores themes of lost childhood, the passage of time, regret, and the power of imagination. The essay delves into the author's personal life, his relationships, and his reflections on the choices he has made. The essay opens with Lamb describing a dream in which he finds himself in a room filled with portraits of his ancestors. This dream serves as a metaphorical backdrop for Lamb's reflections on his own lineage and the weight of his family's history. He addresses his imaginary children, Elise and John, with a sense of fondness and longing. Lamb then delves into his memories of his own childhood and his relationship with his real-life sister, whom he refers to as Bridget. He reminisces about their games, their reading habits, and the warmth and love that permeated their lives. A sense of melancholy tinges these recollections as Lamb realizes that those days of innocent joy can never be recaptured. He expresses a deep regret for not fully appreciating the happiness of his childhood and the companionship of his sister when they were alive. He recognizes the fleeting nature of happiness and laments the fact that he did not cherish those moments while he had them. Lamb's longing for the past and his yearning to relive the lost joys of his youth are central themes in the essay. As Lamb continues his dialogue with his dream children, he reflects on his own life choices. He acknowledges his decision to remain a bachelor and wonders if he would have been a good father. He contemplates the potential joys and challenges of raising children and imagines a hypothetical scenario where he had married Bridget and had a family with her. This imaginative exploration highlights Lamb's sense of regret for the path he chose and the possibilities that were foregone. The essay takes a darker turn as Lamb's dream children gradually transform into more ghostly and somber figures. This shift symbolizes the ephemeral nature of life and the inevitability of death. Lamb confronts his mortality and the stark reality that his dream children are not real, emphasizing his childlessness and the absence of a family legacy. In the concluding section, Lamb reflects on the power of dreams and imagination. He recognizes that dreams can offer solace and serve as an escape from the hardships of reality. The dream children, though not tangible, represent the purity and innocence of childhood that Lamb cherishes. Through his dream, Lamb finds a connection to his past and a means to explore his emotions and thoughts. This is a deeply personal and emotionally charged essay that delves into universal themes of nostalgia, regret, and the passage of time. It offers insights into Lamb's own life experiences and his longing for the happiness and familial bonds he never had. The dreamlike narrative style adds an air of introspection and allows Lamb to navigate his emotions and reflect on the complexities of human existence. The essay serves as a poignant reminder of the importance of cherishing moments of joy and connection in the present. It also explores the significance of imagination and dreams as sources of comfort and avenues for exploring one's desires and regrets. Overall, Dream Children, a Reverie is a powerful and thought-provoking piece that invites readers to reflect on their own lives and the choices they have made.